Have you ever seen a drawing that looks like it's floating above the paper? No? Today I will show you how to create these beautiful 3D floating fish using a very simple technique. Let's get started. For this you need a simple white paper. Here I am using a white paper of 140 GSM and oil pastel. Oil pastel shade name is vermilion hue. First of all, we have to draw a teardrop shape. Then we will take a Q-tip or earbud. With the help of the Q-tip, we will spread the color in the shape of a fish. Just put right amount of pressure and you don't have to worry too much about the details because the beauty of this artwork comes from its shadows, not from the details. Here I am showing the next fish. The tutorial is very easy and the process itself is very easy. Just a teardrop shape, and with the help of a Q-tip you have to spread the color and your fish will be ready. I will repeat the same process for the remaining fish, changing their direction slightly so the composition looks more natural and balanced. Here the first step of our drawing is ready. Take a paintbrush and the box of your favorite cheese. I'm just kidding. This is the box where I store my charcoal powder. If you don't have charcoal powder, don't worry. Take a charcoal pencil and the sandpaper. Rub your charcoal pencil against the sandpaper and your charcoal powder is ready. If you don't have charcoal pencil, again you don't have to worry about. You can use your regular graphite pencil. And if you don't have sandpaper, just rub your pencil against any rough surface and then you will able to do this. Take a brush, take the powder and gently creating shadow. Gently I am creating shadow here. First of all, you have to build it up. Don't take too much powder in the one go. Now I am using a permanent black marker, creating eyes of the faces, and our drawing is almost ready. Now our drawing is ready. So which illusion should I create next? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep creating, keep inspiring, and keep exploring art with Indus Art Orbit. See you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.